Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I want to show you a very tricky way on how to make money from P2P trading, and it's going to be massive, guys. Some people believe that it is only when you post an ad to buy and post an ad to sell that you only make money from P2P app trading. No, it doesn't work that way. You can decide by yourself to post an ad to buy and also post an ad to sell, but I'm going to show you here in this video where you can buy very fast without posting an ad, and how you want to sell it by posting an ad. I'm going to show you a tricky way to post it so that you'll be on top and make money very fast. Okay, so that's all I want to show you in this video. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video, and also don't forget to turn on the notification button because you will be getting notified anytime I post video like this. Okay, if you guys notice me by now, I like doing updates, or I like posting videos based on p2p trading because that is where the money is. We people are cashing out massively from p2p. Okay, it's very legit. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Okay, first of all, what we need to do is, you see where you are seeing filter here, we click on filter, click on show eligible ads. Once you are here, you can see there are different merchants with their different in price. So what you need to do right now is the 100 USD for this arbitrage. Okay, let's click on buy from this guy here. Okay, once you are here, since you want to buy 100 USD, you click on with crypto here. Once you do that, you insert 100 USDT. We want to use 100 USD as our startup capital. We are going to pay a sum of 144,700 naira to have 100 USDT. So have it at the back of your mind. I'm going to take you to the second phase. We are going to convert your USDT to the currency I'm about to show you. So watch as I'm taking you through. Alright guys, we are using Ethereum for this arbitrage. Remember we got our 100 USDT at the price of 144,700 now. So we are going to insert our 100 USDT here. Okay, with our 100 USD, we are going to have 0.03371 of Ethereum. So that's what we are going to have with our 100 USDT. Before I continue, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe, like and share this video. If you are getting value from it, please just like and share because you are going to be getting this kind of update every day and every time I post it like this. Okay, so before I jump into this video, let me explain something very important to you. Now, you know, first in the first step we buy without posting an ad. So the last step we are going to post an ad and make money. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how you post ads and be on top so that anybody that comes in to the platform will first of all see you and buy from you. Okay, I'm using this guy for example. Okay, you now click on this guy. Remember what I told you, if you are posting an ads, a sell ads, it will appear on a buy side for whoever wants to come and buy from you. Okay, to come and see it and buy from you. For instance, if you are this guy, you post an ad on to sell your Ethereum, it will come and appear on a buy side like this one you are seeing here. This guy you are seeing here is actually post a sell ads. He's the one going to sell to you and you buy from him or her. I believe you are actually getting the gist now. So for instance, this is our ads we post and we want to 0.03371. You can see we are going to receive 154,897 naira 0.41 kobo. If this is our ads and we have the quantity of 0.03371 worth of Ethereum that we want to sell for someone to come and buy from us, we are going to receive, if the person actually want to buy it from us, and we are going to receive 154,897 naira point 41 kobo. Can you see? Then I'm going to show you the tricks on how you beat up this guy and be on top of this guy so that someone will come and buy from you fast. Okay, there's no difference here. What you just need to do, since this guy is selling at the price of 4,594,999 naira, what you need to do in your own aspect, you are going to sell your own a little bit lower than this guy. What you need to do is you are going to put your own at, let's say, 4,594,998. That is just the tricks. Just a digit of one difference, and you are going to be on top of this guy. You understand? So let's go to our calculator and see something for ourselves. Imagine you sell your own at the rate of 4,594,998. Then let's say times 0.03371. You will see you will make a profit of 154,897 naira point 38 kobo. So that's just the tricks. If you just make your price a little bit lower than the first guy, you'll be on top. Why people, anyone that wants to come and buy from you at that price will definitely buy from you. Okay, so that's just it. So let's see the potential profit we have made from this simple arbitrage. So what we need to do is, we started this arbitrage with 100 USD, which we bought at the rate of 14,400, sorry, which we bought at the rate of 144,700 now. So we do our calculation as 154,897 naira minus 144,700. So you can see we have made a profit of 10,000, let's say 190 naira. So if you can go this like 5 times in a day, let's say 10 10,000 10,190 naira times 5 times in a day, you will make a whooping sum of 50,950 naira. You can see the potential profit. So just engage, do something and make money. Okay, it's about doing research, because all these things we do research before we get into it and before we show you guys. Okay, please do well to like, subscribe and share this video. Also, don't forget to turn notification button. That is very very important, because you will get notified anytime I post new updates.